Welcome to Kharoo channel. In this video, we will solve the question 2 of depreciation chapter. Write the word or term or phrase which can substitute each of the following statement. Question 1. A continuous, gradual and permanent reduction in the value of a fixed asset. Depreciation. The expenditure incurred for purchase, installation charges, etc. of an asset. Cost of asset. The amount that a fixed asset is expected to realize on its disposal. Scrap value. The period for which the asset remains in working condition of the asset. Life period of asset, or you can say useful life of asset. The method of depreciation in which total depreciation is equally spread over the life of the asset. Fixed installment method, that is also called as straight line method or original cost method. The method of depreciation in which the rate of depreciation is fixed but the amount of depreciation reduces every year. Reducing balance method, which is also called as diminishing balance method or written down value method. The type of asset on which the depreciation is charged. Fixed asset. Expenses incurred for fixation of the new asset to bring it in working condition. Installation charges. Excess of selling price of fixed asset over its written down value. Profit on sale of asset. When selling price is more than WDV, we get profit on sale of asset. And when selling price is less than WDV, we get loss on sale of asset. Method of depreciation that cannot reach to zero value. Diminishing balance method, which is also called as reducing balance method or written down value method. If you find this video useful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for future notification.